Hunter here, and today I'm going to show you how to make links in HTML. So basically, I'm just going to make a basic HTML document, which if you don't know how to make one of those, I'll leave a link in the description on how to make a basic HTML page. So let's just name this link. Okay, so this is just the title. Okay, so basically I'm just going to be showing you how to make a link for a website we're gonna make it to where it goes to my YouTube channel for y'all to see. So let's just do that real quick. So we actually gotta make the document. Okay, and we're gonna close off the HTML document. So this will just be a link, and so we're gonna go into the body. Now I like to leave a couple open so we can actually put the code in and it's all nice and neat. And I just tab over, you don't need to do that. But let's make the h1 attribute, okay? So let's just write inside of the h1 attribute, YouTube channel. Okay, I'm not good at spelling. Okay, so now we're just going to close off the YouTube channel. So let's just go to Command S or Control S if you're on Windows. And let's just title this index.html. I already have one on the desktop called it, so I'm just going to name this index01. It doesn't matter what you name it. Okay, so we're just going to save it. Now we're going to look on our desktop, and we're going to try to find it. Okay, so let's just drag this into our preferred browser. So I'm going to go to Safari. Now, when this loads up, you're going to see that we don't actually have a link yet. We just got a big, ugly YouTube channel thing, and we're going to want it to go to this website, youtube.com/hunterstechify. Okay, so this is the link that we want it to go to. Okay, so here's my basic YouTube channel right here, and I hope y'all subscribe because that means a lot. So basically, we're just going to go back into our text editing program, and we're going to add over this bracket our link. So you can either edit it directly right here, let's just say this was the attribute, which is not. You could do something like that where it's on the outside of that, but just to keep it organized, I'm gonna make it overhead, so it's gonna be like here, and it's gonna end over here. So basically, the attribute is a space href. Now we're just gonna hit equals and then quotation marks. Now we're gonna write http ://www dot, and you can name this to go whatever the website you want. So in this case it's youtube.com/hunterstechify. So we're just gonna type that in. You don't have to add a / at the end. I know some browsers do that, but you don't actually need to do that. So now you're just gonna hit the apostrophe quotation marks, I'm sorry, and you're going to do the end sign. Now to signal that this is going to be inside it here, we're just going to close off the A tag. Okay, now basically we're just going to hit Command S. Okay, so let's just reload this real quick. Okay, and as you can see, it's now this purple link right here. So now we can click on it. But let's say you don't want to actually make it link to another website. Let's say you have a couple documents, like we're actually going to link this to this index.html right here. You can link web pages and stuff, whatever you want. You just got to specify the file location. So we're going to make another version of it, and it's going to be a h1 attribute, and you can reuse the h1 attribute however much times you want. It's just like the size is why it's h1 and stuff. I went over that on the first HTML video, which I'll leave a link in the description like I said. So let's name this one index. Now, since this is just a name for it, you don't actually have to name it, it doesn't have to be what the file name is right here while it's in the h1 attribute. So we're gonna do this right here. We're just gonna open a href equals apostrophe quotation, whatever it's called, and we're going to go to index.html. Okay, we're gonna close it off. Okay, so let's just do that. Oh. Okay, so this will link it to this page right here. Now, one thing I need to mention is, so here's some of my better websites. I'm just gonna open that up. So here's my tech blog I'm making. So pretty much here's my home, and I have it linked to other files in here. Well, let's say I was gonna make another folder in here that would have like a certain page or whatever. Like I made a website in here. You would have to actually go like, let's say this was already in that directory. You would have to go like whatever the folder name is, like images / so it knows like what folder to look for, as otherwise it's going to show up as an error. Okay, so that's that, and we're just going to hit Command S. Now we're going to open back up our preferred browser, and we're going to do that. So as you can see, here's the index, and here's the index.html that we just linked right here. Now you can link whatever you want, like whatever well, not attributes, like you can link pictures, like you can put links in pictures, you can put pretty much a link on anything, like you can put it on a table, which we'll go over in another video. And so that's pretty much actually how you link stuff. Now this is very helpful to use, because without links your website is not going to do anything except display information like this one right here. All it does is show this is H1 to H6, which if these had links like YouTube, Google, whatever you want to use it for, then the website would kind of be useful. So I hope this video helped y'all, and if it did, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye.